I'm gonna start over here with the nail station first. So this is basically just acetone that we have reused over the years. Not over the years. Over probably 2 months, maybe a month. It's just acetone. That's how it looks at the bottom. Kind of disgusting, right? I know, right? The one thing about acetone is it's basically a chemical that kind of just destroys stuff, I guess you can say. My nail stations aren't that dirty as they usually be. I don't know if y'all can see that. They kind of, okay, so for me overpaying on the sides, basically all I have to do is put it in here and the acetone will take the nail polish off here. I usually leave it in here overnight. I need to get rid of everything that's on this nail tip real quick. Now I'm just gonna take all of the sticky tack that I can get off of here. And sometimes you can't get all of it off, but I try to get as much as I can off because I don't like just wasting stuff. So it's the cheap acetone, well, cheap nail polish remover because it doesn't even have acetone in it. It's the regular kind. Now usually I get the kind with acetone, but the store I was at only this kind, and I haven't really went back to the store since then. So, but yeah, this will work. It just take a lot longer. But the kind that's already in this bowl is the acetone kind, so mixing this won't hurt at all. But personally, me, I prefer the acetone kind. This is what so they have kind of already kind of fallen in a little bit. Almost all of them are under the acetone, but they will all fall eventually. But anyway, so this will basically be an unboxing part of the video too. Yeah, because I'm actually gonna sort some of this stuff out. So I was like, since he came in the middle, I wanted to do an unboxing part and sort it. Right. Okay, so these are my nail tips, which these are the kind. They come as long collagen, but they can be long battery, long collagen, short collagen. You get the different varieties they can be. But they're actually like $7. No, I think they went up to $8. They were $7, but now they're like $8. So this looks pretty cheap compared to the other companies. And then these are my personal toenails. I ordered some more because I was actually getting a lot of personal toenail orders, which I was really shocked. I didn't really think people like personal toenails, but they actually do. So. And then this is some more long collagen nail tips that I ordered. And this is some more. And the last thing in here is actually my adhesive tabs. I don't know if I pronounced it right. Adhesive, something like that tab. Basically the gluey tabs that you put on your nails if you don't want to use nail. Basically those. So now the nail tips, I'm really not gonna sort those, because I already have some in my nail box. Also, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out, because I promise you, if you do nails or you do your own nails, whatever nails you do, that's a good hack. Like, I learned it off this girl on Instagram. It really helped me. It helped me save space. And if you do nails, you know, if you do nails in your room, you know you're limited in space. No matter how big your room is, you always want to have space. Like, you can never get too much space. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, it really helped with the nail boxes, getting rid of those. Anyways, go check out that video. And I basically did a step-by-step process, and it was really helpful. Like, it helped so many people when you asked me with me, so I know it would help you guys. So make sure you check out that video. But anyway, back to this video. Yeah, so that's what I'm actually gonna do with these, is sort these into my nail essential bags, which I will explain what that is, etc., in just a second.